What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Shiba Inu here today. So what we kind of expected kind of happened here with Shiba Inu. Like I said, this is a retracement period. But anyways, hit the like button, subscribe. It'll really help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also check out the link in the description if you guys want to actually go ahead and donate to the PayPal donation link or the Cash App donation link, whatever one you want to do. Definitely do that, or just hit the like button and subscribe. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description. Let's get straight to this video. So yeah, we had so much stuff going on inside Sheep. So right here, we had this consolidation period that I actually drew out yesterday. I was like, look, we're inside of this consolidation period. You can see there's some consolidation happening. And I was like, okay, either we're going to break out of this inside of a nice little uptrend here, which was less likely to happen, or we're going to do a little bit of a retracement period before we end up actually breaking out. So what happened here is while we were inside of this green area, the supply and demand zone, showing that there's a lot of demand for Sheep, we actually hit this red area of the supply and demand right at the end of our consolidation. The second we hit the red area, we started to go down inside of a downtrend here. And then we had this little chance of a reversal here that actually brought us back up on an uptrend. Now, inside of this green area here, this is showing that we actually have a good amount of demand inside of Shiba Inu, even though we are going inside of a little bit of a downtrend here too. So what you can see here is that is actually a little area of consolidation. As you can see over here, we were oversold in Sheep when we broke out of our consolidation. We got oversold, as you can see here inside of this oscillator. So look at the vital oscillator. You can see that there's overselling here. And then there was a little bit of an overbuying period too right after that. But yeah, you can definitely see the market control is 60% owned by the bears. So the bears have the 24-hour market control at 60% bearish. So that is the bears and what they are doing here with Shiba Inu. Now, moving down here, you can see that there's actually a lot of demand here for Shib at 24 cents. Meaning if Shib hits 24 cents, we're probably going to see some big buying coming in. Even right now, we're probably going to have some buying coming in leading into tomorrow. And that's just how it's going to be here with Shib. But anyways, let's back out of this and look at our predictions for Shiba Inu and our technical analysis. So let's shout out to FX Street. Shout out to them for doing this. Shiba Inu price awaits 42% rally as bulls tackle one last key resistance. A 42% rally is pretty big. These bulls are about to tackle this resistance. So Shiba Inu price is at a critical point as it inches closer to a massive bull run. The Dogecoin, you know what, needs to break above 0.0003037 for Shib to reach the optimistic target of a 42% climb. So they're saying we got to reach that 30 area for a 42% climb. However, a slice below the 2879 area could spell trouble for the bulls. And right now we're at 2731. So this could mean trouble for the bulls. We broke out of this consolidation. That's pretty much what they're talking about at the end of the consolidation. If we go down, we might be in trouble here. So they're saying that we may have some trouble here inside Sheep. Now, Shiba Inu price eyes ascent towards 43.46. So Shiba Inu price has formed a symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour chart, indicating that the bulls may be catching their breath following the massive uptrend, meaning this is a retracement period. So while Shib is confusing investors with directional cues, its next move could indicate a 42% ascent, depending on whether the token manages to slice above the crucial or the critical hurdle. So 42%, they say that we could jump 42%. It just depends if we can pass the supply and demand area up here. If we can pass this, there's not so much demand for Sheep above 30 cents, because that's really when the profits start to get smaller and smaller. So there's not much demand for it right there. But if we can actually pass that, then there will be huge demand for Sheep, like 42% demand, 42% accent type of demand. So right now what we're going to see here is a little bit of a downtrend. And we just need to continue to get our volume back up here with Sheep. Let's keep going over this though. So investors should note that the bullish target would only be on the radar if Shiba Inu price breaks above the upper boundary of the triangle pattern at 0.0003037. So they're saying that yes, we could break out of a triangle pattern here, but we first have to get above 30.37. If we can't get above 30.37, they're saying that it's not going to happen. And right now we're at 27.37, so we could go on a short-term downtrend closer to about 24 cents before we actually decide to break out. So only if Sheep manages to escape above the aforementioned resistance would the prevailing chart pattern project a 42% accent towards the 43.46, coinciding with the set 127.2 Fibonacci retracement level. So however, Shiba Inu price may face a few obstacles before reaching the optimistic target. The first hurdle above the top side trend line of the triangle emerges at the 0.000003073, only 4 zeros and then 3073, around the October 13th high. So they're saying, like, look, if we can pass 30, 3073, then we're gonna be good here. But additional obstacles may arise on 3200 to 3528, which is going to be a huge point of resistance for us. So anyways, the momentum reversal indicator also presents a breakout line at the 3559 area, which indicates that this area could be crucial crack before Shiba Inu price could climb towards its aforementioned bullish target. So 3559, they're saying we really have to pass that if we really want to be bullish. Let's go ahead and scroll this all the way out here, pretty much right past our previous all-time highs now. So that's what we got to get past now. But let's click this and actually zoom in a little bit here and look at this. So Shiba Inu right now is right here at the 28 area, but now we're at 2740. As you can see, they're saying that we got to pass this 30 area of resistance, and then the 32 resistance, and eventually the 35 resistance. And all this is creating the triangle that they're talking about. Going over here, if you look at the 4-hour chart, you can see what they're talking about here. And let me actually go back here. So not way back there, but you can see it forming right here. So these are two little smaller consolidations that I had formed earlier. But then if you look at it from a larger perspective, because I was just doing short-term views, if you look at it from the larger perspective, you can see that Shib is actually creating these terms here. So anything can happen right now with Shib. Right now, honestly, I prefer the upside to happen rather than the downside with Shib. But anyways, if Shiba Inu faces a spike in sell orders, Shib may resort to its first line of defense at 28.79. We have had a spike in sell orders, as you can see here with the oscillator. Oversold here, oversold here. Scroll back, oversold here, oversold here, oversold here. We're having so many different overselling happening inside of Shiba Inu, and you can even see here at the end of the oscillator is actually showing that we're inside of a bearish pattern there. At the end of the oscillator, it's starting to become bearish there. So big stuff going on right now with Shib. We can, definitely keep watching out for it and see what happens. But right now it's on a temporary downtrend, so definitely be aware of that. And if actually you go over here and you look at this area, just put on the line view and then go ahead and hide that. You can definitely see that Shib is, on a downtrend here. So let me back out of this and show you that. So as you can see, Shib is moving down here on a little bit of a downtrend. So, don't worry, because Shiba Inu is going to come back. It's going to come back way harder than before, just like it did previously. It always does it like that. It just, has a period of time where it's just going down on the downtrend, and then out of nowhere, it just starts to go crazy. But yeah, anyways, as you can see over here, the Shib area is at the 28.79, but now it's below that. And we could decline to 16.59. They're saying if we continue to have selling. But first, that'll be met by the 27.12 support, and then eventually 25.62 support, and then 23.72, eventually down to the 20.15 and the 17.84 support areas. So that could happen if Shiba Inu continues to drop right now, and if we continue to have a lot of selling going on. But anyways, Shiba Inu is still doing good, like 291% in the last 14 days, 321% in the last 30 days, 3% down in the last 7 days, and only 4.6% down in the last 24 hours. So we're doing pretty good here with Shib. And whenever you look over here, we have a lot of people still holding it and buying in every day. Yesterday, we had 723,304 people inside Shiba Inu. Now today, we have 728,193 people inside Shib. Hit the refresh button, 728,230. So a lot of people are investing in Shib right now. About 27 people just now invested, or not 27, but whatever that amount is, 47, somewhere around there. That many people just now invested in this Shib. Big stuff going on inside Shib right now. But anyways, why Shiba Inu has been resilient, more resilient than what Shib haters would want it to be at. So Shib, out of numbers, Shiba Inu has a strong community, and with a bunch of people holding Shiba Inu, that's pretty big right there. So also, pros and cons professional traders spoke with Coindex, and they love Shib's resilience. So a comparison of Shib to his predecessor, Doge, is even more stunning. As you can see, Shib is actually doing more gains. So anyways, many dumps Shib, even though people are dumping Shib still holds its price very well. So there's a lot of Shib whales as well. Notably, one address accumulated more than 8 trillion sheep. We actually believe this to be Robinhood. It could or could not be Robinhood. We hope that it is, but we'll see what it is in the future. And then when you look at this technical analysis, they pretty much go over the same thing that we just went over. They do it in the same way: 2910 pivot, and then the 3060 major resistance, as you can see over there. So our first major support level at 2760, we got the pivot at 2910, we got the first major resistance at 3060. So that's pretty much what we're seeing here inside Shib. Hopefully we can continue to rise here. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I'm not telling you all to dump all your money in Shib, because that's definitely not a good idea inside of any crypto at all. You never want to put all your eggs in one basket. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, because it really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the PayPal donation link, or the Cash App donation link, or the donation link. Either one would help. I would do work a full-time job, so this would definitely help a lot, because I try to come every day with these videos. Just got off work here, so I'm trying to make these videos. But anyways, definitely do that. I'm going to be making a Patreon soon, and that's going to definitely come out very soon. But first, I got to make content for it. I don't want to just drop it without making content for it. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely sign up for Vital Algo. Link inside the description. 25% off if you use the discount code Marsellis. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.